EDMI is a global leader in the provision of smart metering solutions. We focus on designing, developing and manufacturing technologically advanced energy meters and metering systems in innovative ways for the global utility industry. Our mission is to challenge ourselves to advance technologies, create new values and be responsible for better society through our energy solutions. Precision, reliability, technology, new value. EDMI, the global energy solutions leader. 2012, EDMI establishes a principal manufacturing plant in Senai, Malaysia. 2014, EDMI Senai hits its first million in meter production. 2016, achieved more than 1.5 million production capacity per annum. 2018, EDMI's launch of a fully automated manufacturing line. Our dedication to accuracy, our service and our thorough quality and safety standards accreditation means our clients are confident in our products. This is our latest fully automated line for electricity meters. It enables a seamless production of smart meters in high volume and of superior quality with minimum operator intervention. The line is equipped with high traceability systems that intelligently track every single component, which further enhances the quality of production. This automated line was built based on the manufacturing technologies from Osaki, our parent company in Japan, and incorporated rigorous quality standards. For lower volumes and high model variants, EDMI maintain our semi-automated line for electricity meters. This line gives us greater flexibility in responding to individual customer needs and is operated by highly trained staff to lean manufacturing principles. For our gas meters, we have optimized the semi-automated production lines ahead of fully automated production. The gas lines make use of the same traceability systems, as well as strict additional controls in the calibration room to ensure a very stable environment. To ensure every product is reliable and quality assured, we conduct reliability testing through a series of simulations and validations. EDMI's Reliability Management Program continuously monitors the performance of our products over time. Accelerated life testing, thermal cycling testing, vibration testing, salt spray testing. All results are fed back to our world-leading research and development teams for product improvement. We have the experienced, the innovative, the dedicated, from top to bottom. EDMI is fully committed in quality and improvements to keep ourselves ahead of the industry, to bring our vision to life, to become the global energy solutions leader.